chakra, if you give it too much of thinking, or if thinking becomes your disease, which is a modern thing. See, everybody starts thinking. You cannot stop your thinking. Then also liver gets spoiled. But the worst enemy of liver is alcohol. Absolutely, it's the worst enemy. I mean, if you want to die, best thing is to go to a pub, take drinks and die. It's like buying your death. Like calling a bull, come and hit me. I will give you money. It is something like that. It's absolutely self-destroying. And only after realization, you are so relaxed and you enjoy your company so much that it is very easy to give up. Now the another thing that is very important in this case is our eyes. Are very important, which play a very big part in this Swadhisthana movement. Now those people who move their eyes too much here and there, see, I don't know, this is a modern style also, too much to move, everything they must see, like that they are going on, mad people. So I don't know what is there to see like that. Actually, in former days when we were young, we were told to see the Mother Earth all the time, not to raise your eyes higher than that. The reason is the Mother Earth soothes your eyes. But if you go on moving your eyes too much, the attention is moving, wobbling all the time. Now the attention is sustained by liver. If your liver is not alright, your attention cannot be alright. So those people who have a habit, you see, sometimes they'll see through the back of their eyes, go from here to there. They think they are doing something great by doing these things. Such people can never have good livers. So to keep a good liver, keep your eyes down. Don't give them too much work. We are giving too much work to our eyes, and that's how it is keeping our attention all the time wobbled out. And if your attention is out, then you can never feel happy. So the liver sustains the attention. And for you to be best Sahajogi is to put your eyes down on the Mother Earth. Walk with less raising of your eyes. Respect your eyes. You are not to waste your eyes on all the time. Anybody coming up here. I have seen even in meditation, people can't keep their eyes straight. You have to keep your eyes all the time in a mood that you are enjoying yourself and not enjoying others, but just enjoying yourself. You cannot enjoy others. You have to enjoy yourself to enjoy somebody else's vibrations. You can only enjoy others through their vibrations, not through their seeing. And because of this, once you have this kind of a habit, then your liver, all yourself, you do all kinds of things, that's no good. Just tell yourself, oh, my eyes on the Mother. She sustains. She takes away all your problems and everything.